Welcome back to Wood Dweller's Domain. I am the one and only Wood Dweller. Thank you for joining me in my neck of the woods today. Today is going to be a quick video, but I also wanted to say I won another contest. Woo! Usually these contests are held on Instagram, so y'all, I won another one. I was like, oh my god. So this was an artist, and I was so excited because this particular piece stood out to me. Again, I did not expect to actually win. I don't know what the heck is going on, but I have several contests that I've won, and I'm just like, at this point, I'm like really shocked, you know? So, man. Anyways, let's open it. Sorry, that's the clown personality coming out. Let's open. Okay, so I'm gonna try to turn this to y'all so that y'all can see it in real time. I don't really know what to expect. I kind of know what to expect, but not really. Okay, I'm trying to make sure the whoa. Okay, there's that. I always keep this stuff that comes inside of it. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. I can't do it like that. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let me get my face out the way. Maybe y'all can see it better. Because it's like focusing on me. Dang, this is freaking gorgeous. The Goldest. The Goldest? Oh. And you left a note in the book. How freaking cute is that? Y'all, it like I opened it. I was like, oh my god, look at this. And as I'm stunned at the art, obviously, she left a freaking note, y'all. Okay, wait. What the heck? Oh, I'm getting lipstick on it. Okay, hold on. Is it focused? No. Okay, there it is. Dear Xylia, thank you so much for supporting my work. I truly appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the canvas of Imani in your space. Blessings, Sophia. Okay, the note was really freaking sweet. And it has a little pocket in the back, y'all. The gold. You know what? I'm going to do a makeup look inspired by this. I'm like trying to not be in focus. Okay. Can you see it? I still have to like peek, but like, dang, she's pretty. Goddess energy. Goddess freaking energy. I almost don't want to write in it because I'm like, what's going on? Okay, sorry, I'm having like an overwhelming moment right now. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, this is gorgeous. You're an amazing artist. The highlights are amazing. Gold on anyone's skin is gorgeous. Like, and then to kind of see it play out in art, it's literally one of my favorite things in the world amongst so many other things. Okay, next. I know I said this was gonna be like a quick video. Whoa, this is huge. Ah! Okay, nothing in the box. Ah! Okay, sorry. Holy crap. Holy freaking crap. Bro, what the I'm gonna take something off the wall. What is it gonna be though? Yeah, something's gonna have to come down. This is going in my room. Okay, I'm sorry. I know I've had this channel up for a minute, and I know I've gotten like really nice gifts, and I've like purchased things on here and done unboxings and stuff, but it's something about art I'm sorry, I'm starting to bite my nails. It's something about art that really, like, yo, look at the details. She got her magic spell book, Black Witch on deck. We in here. I'm so sorry, but what the fuck? Yo, oh, she ain't even in the... Look at her beautiful hair. The blue is just... Everything is just... Just look. Don't even say nothing. Don't even say nothing. I'm not gonna say nothing. Yo, I just said I wasn't gonna say nothing, but I'm sorry my nails are not done for this, because like, dang, this is really awesome. Her brows look amazing. Like, I'm trying to figure out how I can, like, find a wig. Nah, probably not a wig. Probably just do my own hair and, like, embody this style and just do, like, a quick makeup look in honor of this piece. This piece commands power. This piece is literally beautiful. I'm going to take the moon phases off and put the moon phases like somewhere else, because this piece is going right in front of my bed. Like, I want to look at this when I wake up. I want to look at this piece. Okay, I don't want to talk about a history lesson. Okay, actually, let's talk about it. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. Okay. So, I'm gonna say it again, because like, y'all know what it is, okay? In history, being portrayed as what you naturally are, or you feel like you should be portrayed as, has been such a difficult thing for Black people to do in history. And now that we're catching up on ourselves in like the modern day, I mean, there's tons of art out there, don't get me wrong, but like fantasy art portraying Black like witches and I'm so passionate about art. I'm so passionate about supporting other artists. Financially, literally, I'm so backed up on supporting people. Buying from different brands, buying from different small businesses, freaking businesses that my friends are running, tipping artists. Like, I was doing that so much on TikTok, Instagram, things like that. Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-fi, Cash App, Venmo. Like, financially, it's not good right now, but I am so backed up on supporting artists. Please, if you have passion for small business and artists, support artists. Like, I'm literally having a moment right now. I'm so sorry. Man, this... No. What the... Okay, I'm not gonna curse, but like... I'm about to put her up. This is beautiful. Like, I'm literally dying right now. I got a free freaking notebook and a freaking awesome piece, bro. Like, yo, like, this is insane. Can we get like both in the shot? Hey! I'm sorry. Occasionally the hood comes out. Not too much though. Not too much. I just shipped off my best friend's birthday gift. Y'all, mental health wise, I'm doing better. Quick update. I've not been doing makeup, and that's an issue. I am in the process of purchasing a new phone, which it's gonna be a while before I get it, but I need a heavier duty phone. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is the 11 Pro Max, and as you can see, the lenses, there are 3. It's been a pretty cool phone. I think I got this phone in 2019 and it's 2023 now. As someone who does videos, YouTube shorts, TikToks, Instagram shorts and reels, I guess they're called reels, filming for like different events, I like the easiness of how this is, you know, being transported than maybe the Canon that I'm filming on right now. Just making sure I'm in focus. Sorry y'all, I just got myself out of focus. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I prefer okay, sorry. I prefer something sleek. Now, I do like the Canon. It's something I prefer to do like at home. Let's say a one-on-one, like literally right now. But when I'm like out trying to film woodland shots or something where I'm at an event, vlogging, it's harder to bring such a bulky camera. So I am looking around to possibly price phones and kind of see where I'm gonna go next, because I do believe that lack of storage and everything like that has been an issue. Update, I am taking an entrepreneurship class so that I can be ready for some special things in the future, and I'm so excited for y'all to come on along with me to this journey that I'm gonna force myself to be on. Imposter syndrome has nothing on me now. I'm fighting back. So yeah, I found a new Starbucks drink that I really like. Feel the flourishing in my brain, in my brains, in my veins. I didn't mean to say that. Okay. Okay. Yeah. But anyways, everything is great. I love y'all. Thank you for being patient. always so humble when everybody just comes to my channel to give me support and love, and TikTok and everything like that. I love y'all so much. Instagram. Anyways, I will put down below the links to my fairy Discord. I will put the link down below to my alternative space for Black and people of color space, as well as my clown space, jester, clown, mime space for Discord. But anyways, thank you for joining me in my neck of the woods. I love you so much. Please take care of yourself, and also live life to the fullest. I know that sounds so cliche, but like, words into action, that's all that matters. Okay, so yeah, I love you so much. Let me give you one more shot of this beautiful piece. Sorry, look at that. Thank you for watching.